Welcome back guys to another unboxing video. Today we're gonna unbox another product. Again, it's another product like the previous video, the Belkin power bank. It's a power bank but it's from another company. It's a 10-in-1 combo battery pack from Ravpower. First of all, let's see what's written on the box. As you can see, it's a 10-in-1 portable charger. As you can see, we have these things in the box, and now let's unbox it. Ravpower, by the way, Ravpower, like all over the Ravpower products are made for Apple phones or Apple products, Apple iPads products to charge with, because it's most compatible with that one. You open this, it's not super big box, it's a medium box. As you can see, you can carry it and it's pretty strong too. It's so tough. We open it just like that. And what's in it first? First of all, let's look at here. We have two USB A to micro USB cables, two of them. You can use it for your micro USB devices, but it's it's especially made for charging your power banks. This is a USB A to USB Type C. And when you open this, we have two plugs. Like, this is made for travelers too, because it's a 10-in-1 pack. As we can see, there's a US and a Europe power plug. We have two power plugs, and this is one of the power banks. It's the Ravpower. It's a Ravpower power bank, and its power is 12,000 milliamp hours. And this one, let me open it. There's some paperwork here, nothing important. And this is a lightning port cable for your iPhone devices. And let's open it here. We have a plug for your iPhones or your other, like most, or for all of your smartphones. You can charge 4 smartphones with this, and it has a 40 watt capability. Wait a minute, let me focus it. As you can see, 40 watts. And we have another power bank too. We have two power banks here. This one is a small one. It's 6,700 milliamp hours, 6,700. It's same as the Belkin one that I reviewed. That one was for Apple Watch. It was 6,700, and this is a car charger. This was all in it, but let me tell you some more information. If you have an Apple product, for example, if you have an iPhone, it charges until 80%, because as we can see, it's written here, made for iPhone, iPad, and iPods. These are the ones that it can charge, like it's capable of. You can charge we can see there's not iPhone 11 or iPhone 12, but you can charge them too. I'm using them with my iPhone 12, so there's no problem if you use it with an iPhone 12. And when I tested it, it was pretty good. It was super fast actually. But there's a thing, when you charge your iPhone, it just like charges until 80%, because Apple made it like that because of your battery charge life cycle. It doesn't make your life cycle low. Ravpower made it like that. I think it's very good quality. And this was it. There's a lot of things in it, I know. And thanks for being here again. Catch you guys in another video. Peace out.